a takeoff point from Devdas. In the sense, the idea with Devdi is to try and explore that Devdas has gone beyond being a book or a movie. It has become an adjective. It's in our everyday usage. Whenever we see somebody moping around, we say, "Don't be a Devdas," you know. So the idea was to try and explore that adjective that it has become, and through which I wanted to talk about the youth. I want to talk about how they look at love, life, relationship in today's day and age, where it's the age of fast cars, fast cash, fast food, instant gratification. So how really does it really happen that people really are longing for one woman for the rest of their life? Because I don't see that happening today. No, it has changed. So it was trying to explore all that through using Devdas as a medium. Yeah, the core idea definitely began from Abhay. Abhay was the one who told me this idea of this boy lost in a strip bar in LA, and that triggered off the whole lot of ideas that I had in my mind and showed me the possibility of adapting Devdas. So definitely it was Abhay's baby that he gave me to bring it up. Journey was quite long. It was quite long. After Abhay's concept, Vikramaditya Motwani, who was my co-writer, we asked him to first adapt Devdas. So first he did that, and then I took that script and I completely turned it around and worked with it and brought in the various issues that have hit our headlines to bring in there and explore them and try to see the point of views of people that were often victims of the circumstances. This film is about second chances. It's about second chances. We gave up on people and we say, "Iska kuch nahi ho sakta." Lekin uska kuch hota hai kya? The film is trying to see that. Sudhir Mishra, or Devdas that he is doing is Devdas meets Hamlet. So Devdas is something that's a common story. And Mukaddar ka Sikandar was Devdas. If you look at all those things, they're all Devdas. Devdas has become an adjective. It's not just a book now. And to retell that story in a modern day context, it's a story of three characters. It's not just one, Dev. It's about Paru and Chanda too. And it also sees their point of view and where they come from and what happens to them and their journey too. They are as strong characters in the film as Dev is. Obviously, Raju Hirani, David Dhawan, editors have always made good directors. Very happy. First time I have an album that's sold out and not available. That has never happened with me in 15 years. It's a first for me. I'm obviously very happy.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.